Hello everyone. Today, I, Salman Thepdawala, will be sharing my experience at the 7th European Space Generation Workshop that took place in Bari, Italy. As part of the program team, my fellows and I worked on the workshop schedule and program details, where brilliant minds from across the industry, government, non-profits, consultancy and academia came together to shape the future of the European space sector. Young professionals like myself, under the age of 35, gathered around the theme of making sustainability the cornerstone for European space innovation and policy coordination. I also had the privilege of moderating a working group session on Europe for a safe and sustainable space, and together with experts and delegates, we explored vital topics like space sustainability, debris detection and removal, and space traffic management, hereby generating practical recommendations for a responsible space industry. But it wasn't just about the moderation. I also connected with industry professionals, discussing the integration of artificial intelligence in space innovation with the Airbus Italia panel, and also explored commercial space ventures and collaboration with an ESA representative. The workshop concluded with a session where we all shared our collective knowledge and insights from the working groups. And beyond the working groups and professional growth, I was particularly delighted to reconnect with old friends, make new ones while also engaging with fellow Pakistanis. In conclusion, this workshop was an incredible experience, and I would like to thank the SGAC for providing me with this opportunity to experience this all firsthand. And thank you all for sticking to the end. I hope you all enjoyed experiencing the workshop through my lens.